Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold monthly time frame, I still think it's extremely obvious it's a 1, 2, 3. Eventually, it definitely is going to have to make a big pullback for a wave 4 and a wave 5, but we have to keep in mind that wave 3s can stretch out a lot. It could possibly go up a lot more before it makes that wave 4 and makes that wave 5. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still don't see any reason whatsoever to say that this wave 3 is over. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce, no break of structure, no lower high. This little push down we're getting could just be another correction within the uptrend, which I still think it very likely is. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see this trend within a trend. So this is a trend right here, 1, 2, and then this is our wave 3 also. I think what's going on here is that we're actually in a subdivision. So this is like possibly the wave 3 ending here. This is the wave 4, and we're going to go up again for the wave 5. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, like I was saying yesterday, if this higher trend line does not get respected, then most likely it's going to go down to this lower trend line. I still think this is very likely an ABC correction right here, so I'm still thinking there's a very good chance that this is going to reverse back up. It's probably like a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, like I was showing on the daily time frame, which I think is still going to push us up someplace around the 28.16 area, 28.13 area to finish off this wave 5. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying yesterday, if this one does not get respected, then most likely it's going to go down to this line and respect that line. And we had a bounce pretty much right on that line. Now we need to observe it to see if it does make impulsive movements up and go up and break structure. If it does, then I would say that this is definitely the end of a correction right here, ABC correction, and this is very likely going to continue up to make a wave 5 on the higher time frames. Probably a wave 5 of wave 3 if we're lucky, which means that when the wave 5 or wave 3 is over, we potentially will start a much, much bigger pullback for the big weekly and monthly time frame wave 4. But we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves right now. Right now, we just need to worry about whether or not this right here really is the end of a correction, or whether it's actually going to end up pushing down more. If I was you, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, and I would observe to see if it looks corrective, like this, and goes down again, or if it maintains momentum and goes up and takes out this structure, proving that this is the end of a correction and continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.